guys, thanks so much for joining me today. It is Robson, and today we're doing a bit of a makeup tutorial, I guess, and then I'm going to take you guys along with me to the Urban Decay store opening in Gateway, Durban. I'm so excited because Durban deserves nice things as well, and I thought what better opportunity than today to use the new Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. Now you guys know that I went on a weekend away with Urban Decay. Basically they sent me away with one of my besties, and it was like a Born to Run little weekend, and I got to use the palette, and I was so excited because it was obviously like my first time using it, and it's so beautiful. There's so many beautiful colors in here, and I thought, well, I actually did a poll on Instagram and everyone voted for green, so I'm gonna be over here. I was kind of hoping that everyone would go for pink. Obviously I didn't go for a warm look because I've already done that, but I was kind of hoping for pink, but it's fine, I'm going with green. I love the Urban Decay brand, and we've got such a great relationship, and I'm just so thrilled that they're finally in Durban. I don't know how this is gonna like fare for my finances though, because the problem is like when you walk past it, like you just want to go in. You cannot walk past it without wanting to go in. Do you know what I'm saying? So long story short, enjoy the video. Keep on watching, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye. So I've got these collagen eye patches, and I'm basically just gonna pop these under my eyes. I've been getting like no sleep lately, and I think I just look very tired. Like I was actually watching my Born to Run vlog back the other day, and I didn't look very good. Like my under eye area was just looking really sunken and really dark, and I feel like it's because of just overall the way I've been taking care of myself. But I really love these under eye patches. I always buy them when they're like 2 for $3, so that way I'm getting like another one extra, and then in one pack you get 3 patches, like 3 sets of pairs of eye patches like this. So I really love them from Skin Republic, and often, as I said, buy them when they're like 2 for $3 because I use them very often. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with one of these Brow Precise highlighters for under my eye area quick. I mean under my eyebrow. You can see I haven't done a tutorial in a while, I'm so rusty. Okay, and then I'm just going to take some Urban Decay Primer Potion and just pop that on my lids quick. I'm probably going to start with this shade over here, which is Roof. Why is my phone going off like that? So Roof is a very like nice transition shade, and I'm going to start with that one. So that's basically our transition shade down. I'm not sure what I'm going in with next, to be honest. I kind of feel like I want to go in with just a little bit of Baha, which is this orange shade. I feel like Baha would be a good shade to go in with next. I kind of feel like I want to go in with a bit of punk on the outer corners of my lid, basically. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Between Wanderlust and Big Sky, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with, but I kind of feel like maybe I should go with Big Sky. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I went with green actually. Okay, so for now this is just how I'm gonna leave my eyes. I'm going to just quickly take this off because it's done its job. I just want to go in with some skincare quick. I've got my double serum from Clarins. You guys know I'm a big fan of that. And then I'm just literally putting that all over my face. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some of the strobe cream from MAC, and this is the Peach Light. This is Peach Light. Who's blowing up my phone at this time of the morning? Like, seriously. I'm literally getting ready for the whole day. Because the time of the event, I won't have time to come home and like do my makeup and stuff, and I've got a very busy day at the office. So yeah, Fridays are always busy, so you know what I mean. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and this is in the shade 60. Just like popping some, I should actually just pop it straight on my face, won't I? Pop some there, and well, my hair is like everywhere, and then I'll pop some over there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna like take my beauty blender and just like spread it everywhere basically. Can you see that? This foundation like covers, it's like a nice full coverage and long lasting foundation. That's why I'm wearing it today, because I need my makeup to last the whole day. I can't have my face falling apart by 12 o'clock kind of thing. It like does such a good job on my face. Like, it's one of my favorite foundations. I love it. Okay, I'm a foundation girl. I'm a bit of a foundation whore, so yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with the ColourPop concealer. It's a very good concealer. I actually want to get a few more of these. I'm going in with shades 35 and 25. Now, I bought it when it first launched, so the names have changed and stuff, but you can still kind of get an idea on the site what these shades are. But I'm going in with 25 and 35 together. Do you see what I mean? Like, it's such a great foundation. I mean, it's such a great concealer. It's like one of my favorites. I'm just gonna go in with some of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is one of my kind of favorites. I kind of feel it's a little overhyped, but I do use it. It's just like, and then this is the Clarins. This was a limited edition from Clarins, and it's one of the best bronzers ever. I use it all the time. This bronzer is truly such a perfect shade for me. I genuinely love it, and it just makes me feel like, you know, I don't know if I should go in with the orange on my bottom lash line or not. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll go in with, I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with some Riff, because Riff I think was a good shade for the under eye area. I'm gonna go in with Punk now on the lower lash line as well. Actually, I'm gonna go back in with a bit of Baha, and I just want to come in here a little. Then I'm going to go in with some Blaze, and I'm just putting Blaze like right here. Yeah. Oh, I don't know about liner. Should I put liner on? I'm so nervous, guys. I haven't put liner on in so long. Okay, I'm going in with the eye pencil in Torch, and it's a beautiful like rusty shade. Sorry, I just want to do this quick. So I'm going to go in with the Troublemaker mascara because I've actually just decided I'm not doing liner. Oh, should I? Maybe I'll just put a little bit of liner, guys. Like I'll just go with the like a really like light line. So I'm going to go with the gel liner, and this one's from Kylie Cosmetics. So I'm just going to quickly do this. I have not put gel liner on in the longest time. I don't know if I'm making the right decision here, the right call, guys. Or if I should just be like, nah, just skip it, you know. I'm not doing it with gel liner. Let me do it something that I'm comfortable with. So I'm going to go in with some liquid liner, and this is the Curve Master Precise from Maybelline. Okay, so I've got this one. It's from NYX and it's called That's the Point. And this is an eyeliner that I'm going to use today. Yeah, this is already looking more black. I'm actually going to show you guys the combo that I've been doing a lot lately. So I'll go in with the Troublemaker mascara. Go in a little on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is my favorite combo of the moment. I just really like the way it looks. Okay, so that's it for the eyes for now. I'm happy. This is like my kind of vibe, do you know what I'm saying? Like, this is totally me, right? I think I'm gonna go for like that shade here. Go with that one. I love this kind of flat stippling brush for blush. Lately, that's the kind of brush that I kind of gravitate towards the blush. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go in for highlight. Yay, highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Afterglow palette. This is one of my favorites, guys. I think you guys know that I just keep using this. I'm obsessed. It's just such a great palette. Really love it. Can you see that? Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Hitchhike, and Hitchhike is actually the color that I wore the other day, but I'm kind of obsessed with it. I think I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a lip liner. This is the 22 from Kylie Cosmetics. To seal the deal, obviously, you know, on getting things to last all day, I'm going in with some all-nighter setting spray. You guys know I love for this stuff. So I'm just going to spray my face quick. Okay guys, so I've just got into the Urban Decay store in Durban. I see a very handsome guy over there looking at me. And he's on his face. I'm so excited. Look at the store. It is so beautiful and it's so big. It's so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm so happy. I'm so shocked. It's so beautiful. So I just got back from the Urban Decay store opening. As you can see, my makeup lasted the whole day. like I still love the way I look. I still look really good in my Instagram especially. Yeah, it was actually super fun. I did not expect the store to be that big. I won't lie, I thought it's gonna be a lot smaller. So I was very like taken aback. I was like, whoa, it's so big. Especially for Durban, like we don't necessarily always get nice stuff like that. So yeah, so I was very surprised at how big it was. Yeah, it was really so much fun. I don't really go to events much, I won't lie. Events are not my thing. Especially like the busier I get, the less I want to be like away from like work or home and things. So for me, when I go to an event, I always feel like it must be something that I really want to do, one, or two, it must be possibly leading to other business and things. And I do work with Urban Decay and I love the brand, of course. Anyway, so I got my little goodie bag here. Let's see what's inside. Off the bat, I bought something. I bought the Back Talk Iron Face palette. I'm so excited. Because I've wanted this for the longest time, and I was talking to one of the brand managers and I was like, I've wanted this for the longest time, I don't know if I'm gonna get it, blah blah blah. And I was convinced basically on the spot that I need it, and yeah, I did need it. So this is the blush side. Okay, this comes out, by the way. This is a mirror thing, and then there's this is eye makeup and this is blush, and it's so beautiful. And like there's some highlights, I can use that for highlighter. It's just beautiful. And then this is the part that just like sticks in like that and it closes up, and it's just beautiful, and I absolutely love it. And I'm so happy that I've actually got it because the tones are so beautiful. Okay, now let's see what's in my little goodie bag. Okay, so it's another Naked Ultimate Basics. Now I already have one like this, so I don't know if I'm going to give it away here or if I'm going to give it away like on my Instagram or something, but I'm going to give it away to someone because I already have one. And the one that I have, I've used so much. I love it. It's probably the most used palette that I actually own, so this can be actually really nice to give to someone. Oh, and then a little wild card thing. I'll give this to the person as well. So I'm basically giving my little press pack away because I actually own these. I even have the bag. I was honestly so happy that I did that because it was such an amazing like experience to be there in the store. Like, I know that seems like oh my gosh, you seriously, it's just a store, but as a makeup lover and as a fan of the brand, I've been a fan of the Urban Decay brand for so many years, like ever since I started traveling overseas and like loving makeup. You guys know I've got a crazy makeup selection, so Urban Decay has always been a part of that, like since I started traveling overseas and stuff. And I've even gotten like friends to buy me things and whatever. Anyway, so I was just like really happy to be there. But anyway, back to the makeup, because that's why we were here today. I think my makeup lasted really amazingly the whole day, and I feel like even my eyes, right? So this is like, ooh, this is very close. So let's just like look at a close-up on me. I think I look pretty awesome, right? Okay, the lighting is changing, so I think that's a pretty awesome for like the whole day's makeup. It's like what? It's like after 7, it's like 7:30 at night now, and I started my makeup at like 6 o'clock in the morning or 6:30 or something like that. So I'm feeling really good about my makeup. Yeah, we like it. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.